Hi, I'm Lou Kren, Senior Editor of MetalForming Magazine, here at FABTECH 2025 in Chicago, Illinois, for MetalForming's 4 on the Floor video segment. I'm here at the Vitronic booth with Wayne Pugh, Vice President of Automation for Vitronic, and a special guest from Lincoln Electric.
Hi. Yes, thank you. Brian Meess is here. He's our Industry Portfolio Manager for Lincoln 4.0. He'll be joining us today for this discussion.
Now, what new products and technologies will visitors to your booth here at FABTECH, what will they be seeing, and can you describe any recent product enhancements?
Yeah, so we're having our welding inspection system here today with a co-op with Lincoln and Kuka Robots, to where our system is taking in welding data and information from the robot, merging it together to give the customer all their data points that they need to store data and keep it in for all the different pieces of equipment on there. So that's what we're showing here today as a co-op.
Oh, okay, great. And if we talk a little bit about the market factors that are impacting the adoption of your technology. So I guess that involves a combined solution with Lincoln.
So we bring all the data points together for the Vitronic side. Brian will be talking a little bit on the Lincoln side what we do. So we both have what we bring to the table, and then show what we have as a combined solution, which is an end-to-end solution for all the customers that need this type of system.
Yeah, on the welding side, there's a standard in the automotive industry called CQI 15. It's a requirement for tier 1 automotives or other automotive companies to store and collect welding data for a period of time. And so what the Vitronic system does, as well as the data that Lincoln Electric is collecting on voltage, current, wire feed speed, we can meet this spec. And we meet this spec to a higher level of statistical confidence when you use both the Vitronic system and the Lincoln system in conjunction with each other.
So if we could talk a little bit about after-sale customer support and Vitronic's efforts in that regard.
Yes, so Vitronic Machine Vision works in a lot of different verticals, not only the automotive sector, but the logistics sector and the traffic sector. So our service is very important. Point of sale is at one point, but really that's where we excel afterwards. We take care of all of our products for a lifetime with all the servers, with all the different customers' needs. We have 24/7 support. Customer can also get their own phone number, so they call an engineer directly that's trained for their system. We have spare parts and depots all across our different regions, as we're a global company, so we're able to support customers wherever it's needed, also our channel partners. So we pride ourselves on service, repeatability, and being able to take care of the customer as quick as possible, because downtime is the killer for this industry.
Okay, great. Thank you, Wayne. And if you could expand on that a bit, talk, what do you think metal formers and fabricators need to know about Vitronic's history and its industry knowledge and capabilities?
Well, Vitronic is a machine vision company that started 40 years ago in machine vision, doing a lot of different industries with all kinds of things. We've always made our own cameras and our own software, so we're able to take care of end of life for our systems, which is really important. We've been in the welding automotive part of it for over 30 years. It was always sort of a must, a nice to have, but now it's becoming a must. As Brian explained, the CQI 15 and data points is becoming more and more. People want more and more data to save. They do a lot of different statistical analysis with data. They're able to take care of the end users with this type of data, and then meet all the criteria of the industry. So that's what Vitronic brings to the table, is we're an expert in machine vision and also data collection.
Great. And that's MetalForming's 4 on the Floor here at FABTECH 2025 in Chicago. Thank you, Wayne, and thank you, Brian.
You're welcome.
Thank you.